As astronomers, there are obvious reasons why we are concerned about losing our darkness to lights from the ground. Astronomers want to see faint light from distant places in our universe, and the lights here on Earth can easily drown out these signals. What many people don't realize is that there are far more and perhaps far more serious consequences to lighting up the night. Life forms on Earth have become tuned to the daily cycle of night and day. By lighting up the night, we are confusing our brains, which may have consequences that we simply can't anticipate. Exposure to increased nighttime lighting levels have been shown to have a negative effect on our health, including sleep and mood disorders. In fact, most of us live in places where it is not dark enough for our brains to recognize it as night. It's just about midnight, standing in front of the student residence, and all of this light is shining through their bedroom windows. Wildlife are also affected by nighttime lighting. Frogs refrain from singing their mating choruses, and migrating birds become confused and disoriented by bright lights. They fly into lit buildings or become trapped, flying in circles until they die from exhaustion. Nighttime lighting means that animals and insects who normally forage or mate under the protection of darkness can now more easily fall victim to predators. This campus, like many, is home to a variety of species, including frogs, birds, insects, and squirrels. So what can we do? Obviously, we're not suggesting turning off every last light, but light that shines into places where it's not needed is wasteful and it's harmful. It wastes energy, and the excessive light only exacerbates all of the problems we've just described. Our proposal for our campus is simple. We would like to see light fixtures that are wasting energy into the sky and into the environment replaced with high-efficiency directed light fixtures like the ones shown here. These shine only the amount of light that is needed into the places where it's useful. We'd also like to see an increased awareness of this issue on our campus. There's no need for this building to be lit up like this at midnight. We decided to count the number of light fixtures on our campus so that we could calculate how much energy could be saved using high-efficiency fixtures. We counted approximately 850 fixtures. At $300 per fixture, it would cost about $255,000 to upgrade the lighting. These would provide a savings of about 300 watts per fixture, or approximately 1 million kilowatt hours per year. Using a cost of 3 cents per kilowatt hour amounts to $33,000 per year in energy savings, or about 7 years to recover the initial cost. This is what our campus looks like at night. Adjacent to the campus is a newer development that uses full cutoff lighting fixtures. The difference is obvious. In the spirit of dark sky preserves that have been established in national parks across Canada, we would like to propose establishing a dark sky campus designation. The requirements for our dark sky campus designation would include all outdoor lighting fixtures should be full cutoff type. The illumination level should be no greater than half a lux, except in essential areas where they should not exceed 2 lux. Between the hours of midnight and 6 a.m., all non-essential lighting must be turned off. Elsewhere, intensity should be reduced by dimming or turning off some of the fixtures. All indoor lighting should be turned off. Where this is not possible, window coverings should be installed. Fixtures should be mounted below 6 meters above ground level. Wherever possible, reddish sodium light fixtures should be used instead of white or blue metal halide fixtures. Motion sensors and alternative lighting sources should be used wherever possible. There are over 90 universities in this country. Let's make them all a dark sky campus.